Dear YouTube viewers, welcome to PCB Repair YouTube channel. Today I am here with another new video. Today's video is about 24-inch LED TV standby problem. First, the TV is released to standby. Friends, look, see here, the standby LED is flashed not appropriately. The LED TV is automatically goes back to standby as soon as it is released from standby. Friends, in today's video, I will try to explain how to repair this TV problem. So, keep watching the whole video carefully. So, let's get started. Friends, to explain to you, I am turning on the TV again. Look. The TV is going into standby again and backlight of the TV is not even on. Anyway, let's open the AVDD cable now. Then I will turn the TV back on. Now look, see here the backlight is flashing. Very nice. That means the TV's motherboard is okay, but the problem is with the panel. That means I have to find out which section short circuit so I can complete the task. So let's connect the AVDD cable again and see if the TV turn off again. Look, the TV is turning off again. So let's check what the problem is with the panel. Anyway, look here. The 12 volt positive supply is okay and no short circuit it. Then visual bolts is okay and no short circuit it. Then VGS bolts is okay and no short circuit it. Then VGS bolts is okay and no short circuit it. Then AVDD bolts ground to test point. It has become almost 0 ohm short circuit it. Okay, our next step will be to see in which section the AVDD bolts follows. So let's try to understand the AVDD bolt details in the form of a diagram. First, the 12 volt fuse is passed through this inductor coil and input to pins 25 and 26 of the IC. Then it is connected to the emitter connection of the resistor through a diode. Then when the enable voltage is input from the IC to the base pin of the resistance, the AVDD voltage is output through the collector pin of the transistor. Now what should we do in this situation? Since the AVDD voltage is shorting to ground by 0 ohms. This means that we have to find out which component of this AVDD voltage has shorted. So first, we have to understand which section the AVDD voltage has going to. See if this AVDD voltage is directly input into the right side coil through this PF and the same voltage is input into the left side coil through this PF and then the coil is turned on. Therefore, our first step will be to remove the 0 ohms resistance from the AVDD test point and then we have to see if the short circuit has occurred at the input or output of the resistance. Anyway, in my case, the output is shorted. The short found, the PF that you see here is shorted. So I opened the PF. See friends, now there is no short circuit since another PF is connected to the coil on the right side of the Ticon board. In the case, even if the PF is not on the coil on my left side, it will work. So let's release the TV to standby again. Friends, see the TV is turned on. Friend, please subscribe the channel. Please like the video and share it with the friends too.